Hello dear learners, welcome to our learning session. Today we are going to learn about climate in India. So get ready to learn this. But before we start our topic, let me tell you one story. So it's a story time. So today I am going to tell you a story about a messy mouse. What is the title of our story? Mrs. Wonderful Weather Trip. Say hi to Missy. So, let us start our story. It was a wonderful day. Missy came out of the house and see, a bright sun is shining into the sky. It was a pleasant atmosphere. So he thought, let me go to beach and enjoy this wonderful weather. So he decided to go to beach and he enjoyed swimming, cold drink and coconut water, and the day was full of enjoyment. He was very tired, so decided to come back home. The next day was surprise for him. It was a windy atmosphere, so he thought to fly kite. But when he was flying his kite, look at his head, it blown away. Next day was even more surprise. It was a cloudy atmosphere. It started raining in the sky. Then he enjoyed raining, he enjoyed jumping into the puddles, and it was a very pleasant day. The next day, when he woke up, he thought that it's too cold. So he took out his sweater, his woolen hat and woolen scarf, and he was enjoying that cold atmosphere. It was a time to sing the jingle, jingle bell, jingle bell. So it was a Christmas evening. So he decided to come out and enjoy that snowy atmosphere. He took the gift and went outside to enjoy the snow. So what do we learn from this story? Yes, different weathers. So we learn weathers like sunny, cloudy, rainy and snowy. So weather could be like that, right? And we enjoyed all this weather. Now let me tell you what is weather actually. Weather is a day-to-day atmosphere we experience around us. And what is climate? Climate is an average weather condition of a large area over a longer period of time. A little bit confused about these two terms, right? Let me make you clear about these two terms. There is a vast difference between these two terms. They are closely related to each other, but still they are different from each other. Let us know what are the difference between these two terms. First of all, when I say weather, I am talking about a particular place, and the place is slightly small as compared to the place I am talking about climate. Now let us talk about climate. When I say climate, I am covering a large area. Suppose I have given you an example. Weather in Surat is sunny. So I am talking about a city, that is particularly a small area. When I say climate of Rajasthan is hot and dry, I am talking about a large area, as I am talking about a state. So now you must be clear that when I am saying about weather, I am talking about a small place, and when I am talking about climate, I am talking about a large area. Now the second point that is differentiating these two terms is the duration, or you can say change. If I say weather is changing day to day, or even sometimes it may happen that in the same day we are experiencing different weather. In the morning it was a sunny day, and when suddenly it turns to a cloudy day and rain started. So weather can change in just few minutes, but when I say climate, it took years and years to get changed. Rajasthan is experienced dry and hot atmosphere since last centuries. So it's not that matter of changing in few minutes, it takes years and years to get changed. Now the duration, if I say, duration of weather is a very temporary. It is changing in few minutes, right? And when I say duration of a climate, it's a longer period of time. So my dear friends, now you must be clear about these two terms. You must be clear about the difference between these two terms. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you.